All right, I'm going to replace that windshield. For those that aren't aware, basically for those that may see this down the road that aren't my subscribers, I have had a retina come semi away. I've had retina surgery. I've had cataracts removed, and I've become real worried about getting something in my face that could ruin my vision. So I'm putting a really tall windshield up, clear, and I'm going to show you how to take this off. It's pretty simple. T27. That's Torx. Drop it on the floor. This one should be a longer one. Maybe not, I don't know yet. It looks longer, yeah. And they have washers on them. It is freezing out here. And this is all I'm doing out here, and I'm going back to the house. All right, let me set these down or I'll lose them. Okay, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna hang on to that. Let me just give this a wipe. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna stop you. I know it's weird, but I'm gonna wax the top of this because I'll never be able to reach it again. I mean, I could take the windshield off, but it's just too convenient. I intend, okay, from the beginning, I bought this bike used. It's 5.5, 6 years old. And based on the chrome, it doesn't look like it's ever had any kind of polishing love. So I plan on, top to bottom, taking parts off and polishing chrome and polishing the paint and stuff like that. But when it's warm, because I hate cold. So let me shut you off. We'll be right back. I'm gonna get some polish on that. And we're back. All right, here's the new one. Kind of hard to see. Man, that is too easy. Let me get the screws. I have new foot pegs, but I'm not gonna put them on today. I'm not gonna tighten anything up until I get all three mounted. I want to take the one I took off and give you a close-up so you'll know what the posts that they have to slide over. I don't know what the torque specs are, but I'm sure if you tighten them too tight, you could crack that plastic. So I'm using my finger torque wrench. Okay. I'm going to sit on this and show you where my eyes are. Now, I'm getting a new seat. I'm a tall guy, so I'm getting a new seat that's going to raise me up a little bit and back 2 inches. I just want to make sure that, oh, yes, that's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I don't have the keys in my pocket, so it's letting me know that... Yeah, I hear you. I don't have the keys in my pocket, so it's... Oh, crap. Jeez. Well, anyway, the height of that is going to be perfect. I really wanted it above my, forehead. So, here's what it looks like. Sorry you had to hear that. The screws fit, there's these little posts that stick out from the back, and you have to get these over them posts, and they fit right in here perfectly. And then the outer portion of the fairing screws down and holds these on that post. So it's really, it doesn't look like it's held by much, but when you look at it and see how it's engineered, it is a secure fit. Okay, I'm going back to my house. And if I had a fire, I'd be holding my hands over it, freezing.